Tell me how long this has been going on. How long has your knee been bothering you?
It started bothering me about 2.5 years, maybe a little longer.
And on a pain scale, how would you rate your pain?
On a pain scale from 1 to 10, I would say right now I have an 8. So it gets to 10, definitely.
Again, it gets to 10. Stairs or when you try to sleep at night, those two things tend to be worse.
Mainly stairs and walking, but at night it can get really bad too because it affects my sleeping so much.
What we're going to do in a minute when I get you in the room is I'm going to be looking at your knee with ultrasound, trying to make sure that the ultrasound results match what I expect from your x-rays and your previous physicians. It hurts where I'm touching, or do you feel it inside the knee when I do that?
Let's see, here, here.
And so let's come straight forward, just the rest on me. And so you can see the articular.
Yeah, right.